Hello, scholars and citizens. Dean Amber here to talk with you about academic integrity. This is a term we use at UC San Diego to talk about our expectations for you in the classroom. Academic integrity means that you are following the directions and expectations of the faculty member and the teaching assistants for each and every course in which you are enrolled. This starts with the syllabus. The syllabus is a contract that you have with the faculty member at the start of each term. It lays out deadlines, when readings are due, when quizzes are due, as well as many of the resources available to you that are approved by the instructor to assist you as you learn. And it will lay out expectations for whether you can work in a group and under what conditions you should be working in a group, or if all work is expected to be yours and yours alone. So I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to read the syllabus each and every quarter carefully. Academic integrity also means that you're listening to the verbal and written instructions of the faculty member and the teaching assistants for assignments. And so every homework assignment, quiz, and exam will have a set of written directions, which I encourage you to also read. Academic integrity means if you are following all those expectations of the faculty member, then we may never meet in that way. But if there is concern that perhaps those expectations aren't being met or the instructions were not followed, the faculty member may file a report with the Academic Integrity Office that there may have been a violation of the policy on the integrity of scholarship. What that means is you will meet with me or a member of the Academic Integrity Office to talk about it, and we will hear you out. There's time in that process. You can see the materials, you can ask questions, we will explain the process, we will talk with you about what's going on in your life and what may have led to that situation. And we will also advocate for you as needed. So you have the ability to meet with folks and to move that process forward. In that meeting, it's my job to answer your questions, to talk with you, and not to judge you in any way. That's not what I'm here for. So I hope that if we meet in that capacity, you'll come forward and we'll have a good conversation together. Something that I do hear from students in those meetings sometimes that they wish they could tell other students, I'm going to share them here. They will say things like, I wish I would have talked to the faculty member when I was confused about the directions, or I wish I would have told the TA that I was struggling in the course and asked for resources earlier. I also hear things like, I should have just skipped that question on the exam rather than look up material online and now be in this situation. And the student may fail the whole exam as a result. So I often hear things like that. I wish I would have just skipped this question on the quiz or exam, or not handed in the homework assignment at all, or asked for an extension. That's another one. I wish I would have asked for a little more time to complete the homework. I also hear things like, I wish I had paid more attention to this video in orientation. So I hope that you'll take that as well. So when students, share those things with me, I thank them and I let them know I will pass it on. And that is part of our community at UC San Diego, and particularly at Marshall College, around supporting each other in all circumstances. And so with that, I'll close this video and I will look forward to seeing you soon.